Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to see about new things. Okay, first of all, I have created AWS new account, and in that we'll do some actions. Okay, so that our account is secure and it will be like it's a future proof. Okay, kind of. So before starting, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. This is part 13 kind of, but I will not mark as part 13. It should be a first video. If you are going to learn AWS, so it should be the first video you are going to do. Okay, so as of now, total 12 part is on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch. Apart from that, we have other videos. And if you're on a LinkedIn, you can follow me there as well. And if you're on GitHub, you can check it out all my repositories and follow me there as well. So let's get back to our topic, that is AWS new account. So I have created a complete fresh account. Okay, you can see here we have $100 as a credit and 182 days remaining, mostly 6 months I believe. And we'll do something. Okay, first of all, we'll set the budget and we'll see the difference between budget and alarm. Okay, what is the difference and what you should take the action and what AWS recommended. Okay, so why I created this new account, in the sense, in my old account I got the feature like Amazon Ask, like Amazon Q, okay, integrated AI kind of. But in new account we have few more features, okay, which you can use for learning, for debugging, anything. So we'll see the difference between budget. We'll see where this you will get this option versus alarm and which one you should. Okay, so if you go to AWS homepage, it will look like this. Okay, you can explore, click on any URL and you can explore. Okay, so but to if you go here, okay, account and billing and cost management. Okay, so from here, if you go, and this is what home billing account section will look like. As of now it's new, so that is why there is no data available. Okay, but you can see here cost monitoring. Okay, cost monitoring, basically what happened, if you created the account and the account is verified, so keep it in mind. You should give your real name, whatever the document you are providing, it should match. Okay, then only your account will get activated. And apart from that, you will get this anomaly detection, okay, in this account. That's what you will get the notification from AWS. So if you scroll down, not here, go to biz. So till now you have seen the IAM. Okay, but in IAM you will not get the billing amount in IAM. Okay, you will get the billing details on your root account, which is the main AWS account. So how you will get that billing account in your IAM? Okay, so for that, what you can do, go to account. Okay, go to account section, and in account section, scroll down. Yeah, if you scroll down, you will see here IAM user and the role access to billing information. Okay, as of now by default it will be deactivated. What you can do, edit and activate IAM access, so the whatever the IAM you are using, you will get the amount details there as well. That's one thing. Okay, and here only we'll go to budgets. Okay, yeah, so AWS budget. Okay, this is a global service. You can see here it's a global service. Set custom budget that's alert you when you exceed the budget of threshold. It's like you have a budget of like $30. Okay, 30 $30, and you exceed that limit in a month. Okay, in a month you exceeded the limit of $30. So what you will do, you will get one alarm. Okay, you will get the alert. You can see you will get the alert, kind of three. Okay, till now you have used 50%. Okay, second will be sometimes 80%. Okay, and after that 100% will get the alarm, so that you will get notified how much is you have used the resources and how much it's spending. So that is budget. Okay, So then what is alarm then? So basically alarm is kind of you have a $30. Okay, you have a $30 in a month. Okay, and if it's reach $30, okay, by chance in midnight you will get it exceed the 30 limit, your EC2 instance usage is high, and then you get the $30 bill. So what you can perform some actions on there. Actions like delete EC2, which is not a good option. Either you can say stop EC2, so that you will cost less as compared to its running EC2. Of course your service will down, but you will charge less. So that's what alarm do. Okay, that's what alarm do. So now you got the difference, what's the difference and which one you should do, and what AWS recommended. We will see that one also. So if you go to home of a billing and account, okay, you can see the recommendation action is 3 as of now. So add the alternate billing account. You need to set it up while creating the account. Now the second recommended action is create a budget. Create a cost budget that receive alert when your cost and usage exceed the budget amount. Okay, so that's recommended by the AWS. So we are going to create the budget basically. So click on budget, create budget. So use template simplified. You can go with the custom also, but we'll go with the simplified template version also. Monthly cost budget. My monthly cost budget you can mention here is as of now it's new account, so you can mention $10. $10. Okay, and you can see the mention here amount is $10. It should not exceed. And as of now I will give my primary email address which I check daily. Every day I check. And if you want to add multiple email address, what you can give comma and then add one more email address, then it will work. Okay, so as of now only one is fine. And all AWS service scope in this budget. Okay, so you can see here you will be noted when the actual spend reach 85%. Second notification, actual spend reach 30. And the third, if you forecast spend is exceeded to reach 100, like it's kind of forecast, like predicting. Okay, template settings, create budget. It will create budgets. Okay, so is it now it's healthy, primary view. So once our budget is exceed $10, we'll get the notification. Okay, you can click it here. Threshold action, current budget, you can see here. We'll get the graph also, like progress kind of. Okay, forecast and all details, budget amount, start date, there is no end date, periodically, monthly. And here the additional budget parameter you can see set here. You can set the alarm also. Okay, so that's what alarm will do. Okay, no exceeded. As of now everything is fine. Tags, billing view. Okay, now we'll see the alarm. Okay, so if you go to CloudWatch, okay, so alarm option will be available in CloudWatch, and we'll see what this CloudWatch do and why it's important. Okay, this CloudWatch. So in that we'll see in alarm, all alarms and billings. So if you click in alarm and billings, it will be same, and you can create alarm. See here, so estimated charge USD maximum 6 hours, static greater than. Okay, like I mentioned here, greater than 10. Okay, you can go with the default, and you can mention the change the name here also. Okay, and click on next. Now see here, you need to do extra one step here. Basically you need to create a SNS. Okay, simple notification service. We'll see later what is this SNS. Create a topic. See here, lambda action. You can perform some actions, okay, via lambda, and auto scaling actions, easy to actions. Okay, so that's what a difference between alarm and uh, budgets. Okay, you can take an action upon certain events. Okay, so that's what you can create. And now it's kind of, you create a budget, an extra layer of security you can add on while you use a alarm. So as of now budget is fine. Okay, so we are in a free tier. So as of now, when you log in, you will see the here the credit remaining and the days remaining. So you will be aware. So that's what the difference between alarm and the budget. We'll see other thing in the next video. Mostly security group we'll going to cover in the next upcoming videos. So still, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and you can follow me anywhere. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.